Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to view your downloaded YouTube videos on a PC. You'll first need a YouTube Premium subscription, as downloading videos in HD is a feature exclusive to Premium members. Start by finding a video you want to download on YouTube, then click the Download button located below the video. The download process will begin, and its duration depends on the video's length. Once downloaded, navigate to the Download section by either clicking the three horizontal lines menu in the top left corner of YouTube or directly selecting Downloads from the sidebar. If you're offline, open your browser and go to YouTube. Although you won't have internet access, the site will still allow you to access the Downloads section where your downloaded videos are stored for offline viewing. Simply click on the video you want to watch and it will play without needing an internet connection. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.